As part of a broader public sector reform initiative, the government of Swaziland established the Swaziland Revenue Authority through the enactment of the Revenue Authority Act of 2008. Its primary function is to improve the assessment and collection of revenues on behalf of the government of Swaziland. The Revenue Authority drives a three-pronged compliance strategy, which is underpinned by taxpayer education. It is also looking at improving taxpayer services for purposes of enhancing the experience of our taxpayer. It is also focusing on the enforcement of tax legislation to make sure that everybody gets to comply. We have deliberately targeted improving our ranking in the World Bank's Doing Business indicators for purposes of positioning ourselves such that we will be attractive to the investor community. One major reform that the government of Swaziland felt was important was the replacement of the old sales tax regime by the value-added tax regime in order to shift the burden of tax away from the investor onto the consumer, VAT being a consumption tax. The government of Swaziland has also proceeded to reduce the tax rate from 30% to 27.5%, which now is below the African average rate of company taxation. The government of Swaziland also boasts a development approval order as a clause in its tax legislation, which is designed to attract investors into the country. This provision targets investments in specific sectors of the economy. It can deliver a tax rate as low as 10% for a period of time to those new investors. On the administration side, the Revenue Authority has embarked on an extensive modernization program, which is underpinned by a re-engineering of our business processes and a rollout of state-of-the-art ICT programs to underpin tax administration. We have rolled out what we call a revenue management system or an integrated revenue administration system, which focuses or assists us in the administration of our domestic taxes. We are also in the process of rolling out Asikuda World to assist us with the administration of our customs system. We are determined to improve our services to our taxpayers, and we interact frequently with the business community through our Business Consultative Committee. This platform assists us to interact continuously with our stakeholders with a view to improving our service offering.